We're going to talk about multi-site performances, experience, and suggestions. That's what Anne said. And the first thing is to say, who am I? Where I am from? The first one is, what is my company? My company, CSUC, if you go to the slide
Yes,
with the map and the logos, thanks. CSUC is a consortium of 10 universities in Barcelona, and we share and collaborate together to improve the university systems. We give them network services, but also joint procurement and librarian services, anything you can imagine, so they don't have to spend 10 times the same amount of money to do the same. We do that for them. And for the next slide, you will see, who am I? Am I an artist or a network performance producer? No, I am just a network engineer. And I'm also the communications manager at CSUC, communications meaning the network and not the promotion of the company. I'm also responsible for the management of the Research and Education Network in Catalonia and the Internet Exchange. So this has nothing to do with arts, right? But if you go to the next one, why I am here? Because in 2001, back in 2001, I began collaborating as a network engineer with the Opera House in Barcelona to do some courses called Opera Oberta that were multicasted to more than 55 universities around the world. And I don't know how that became some kind of tradition that I was helping artists to do network performances everywhere. And I was very lucky to collaborate in some wonderful and great performances like the ones you see here and others, Near in the Distance, Near in the Distance 2, and Near in the Distance 3 last year. Similarities, Longing for the Impossible, For the Moment It Is Real, in the Network and Performing Arts production in Copenhagen. We did a short journey into folded space with Ian Biscoe last month with GISC for the DigiFest. The Infinite Bridge with the Royal College of Music. We have collaborating with networks, wonderful people around like Iconet and Chestnut and GISC. And well, it's very, very nice to see all these things done together. And thanks for inviting me to this panel. If you go to the next slide, said, what would be your advice if someone had to plan his or her first performance, his